Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS online account. View tax records step by step clearly. Open a secure browser on your computer or phone and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type IRS.gov in the address bar and press enter to go to the official IRS website. On the homepage, find the menu or search bar and look for Sign in to your account. Click Sign in to your online account to open the IRS login page. Read the security notice and confirm you are on a page that starts with https:// and shows IRS.gov. Choose the button for signing in with ID.me, which is the IRS identity provider. If you already have an ID.me account, click Sign in and enter your email address. Type your password carefully and select Sign in to continue. If you do not have an ID.me account, click Create an ID.me account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and accept the terms as prompted. Check your email inbox for the verification message from ID.me. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the IRS sign-in flow and continue to identity verification when asked. Prepare your government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to upload photos of your ID using your phone or computer camera. Complete the selfie or face verification step if it appears on your screen. Add a phone number and verify it by entering the security code you receive. If ID.me offers extra security, enable two-factor authentication for safer access. After successful verification, allow ID.me to share your identity information with the IRS when prompted. You will be redirected to your IRS online account dashboard automatically. On the dashboard, locate the section for tax records or view tax records. Click Tax Records and select Get Transcript Online to see available transcripts. Choose the tax year you need and select the transcript type, such as account transcript or return transcript. Review the transcript on screen to confirm it matches the year and information you want. To save a copy, use the download or print option and store it in a secure location. If you cannot access your account, use the Forgot Password or account recovery options on ID.me. If the IRS site shows an error, refresh the page, try another browser, or clear cache and cookies. Always sign out when finished, especially on shared devices, and close the browser window. Subscribe to our channel and like the video to support more clear step-by-step guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.